Alright, got a quick recap for you guys, but in the previous video we went to pick up a Challenger. My uncle bought the Challenger, and of course we fellowshiped with everyone in the area, had a good time. Then he rode off with this super quiet 2020 Challenger, and then everyone had a nice ride home. And in the same day, within I guess 6 hours, he wasted no time, and here we are installing the Tire Performance Indian Bagger Black B.A.M Sticks exhaust pipes. Man, that is a long name, but you guys know them as the Tire Performance mufflers with the zombie baffles. So yeah. Now before I even got here, they had already had the saddlebags and part of the muffler off, but this really isn't a hard process. Once you get the saddlebags off, you have a few screws to take the muffler off, but make sure you don't make the same mistake that we did, which is taking the heat shield off of the header. You don't have to do that, but it's easy to get off and it's easy to put back on, but one slight mistake. But being that this is such a popular exhaust for Indians and also Harleys, there's a bunch of videos out there from Tire Performance on there, but for the Challenger, you can look at Bearded Barber's channel and also Riding Fish. They have a bunch of videos on this exhaust, and also I think the mid pipe with Bearded Barber. But this bike doesn't have anything other than a muffler swap. There's no cat delete, there's no mid pipe, there's no tuner, there's no headers. It's just straight mufflers with Reinhardt tip add-ons. So I know a lot of people ask about that. It's just Reinhardt tips with the Tire Performance zombie baffles. So if you want to go ahead and jump ahead and hear that, you can click the time step in the description to hear the exhaust, so you don't have to look at all this. Up and down.
Clamp. Still on it, bro. Oh. Feel like Pat me the other out.
I use this.
That's the one we need. Hey, hold on. Move your hand. There you go. Something just fell off. I don't know what it was.
I felt like it was. I don't think it was nothing from the pipe.
There was a spider or something. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
There's a white.
It fell off my hand. Whatever.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, maybe. Here we go. Let's hear its people. That sounds about right. Yeah, that sounds about right. That sounds about right there. See if that's got any exhaust.
But yeah, the bike sounds really, I guess, close to other liquid cooled bikes. Like I guess my 109 has a deep throaty idle, but then it opens up a lot when you, I guess, open the throttle up. But it's definitely a great upgrade for a lot of people that are looking to get a little bit more. But if you want to go really crazy, again, check out Rod and Fish and Bitter Barber, because they take this tap performance zombie baffle thing to a whole nother level.
When they see that shit, they gonna swear I put lights on.
Don't have up and down windshield. Harley does not have block saddle locking pad.
They didn't even murder my Chieftain off that. But my Chieftain got laid though.
But if you dig the sound of the bike, definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything else that's coming up with this Challenger and anything else that we got going on. So yeah, I'll catch y'all next one.